a legacy built on precision, efficiency, innovation. Hanwha Vision's manufacturing and supply chain management system boosts competitiveness by uncovering hidden potential beyond what meets the eye. Our Vietnam manufacturing plant stands as a cutting-edge smart factory that seamlessly manages products, equipment, and the manufacturing environment. The SMD Smart Platform, a manufacturing powerhouse, orchestrates real-time planning, precise diagnostics, stringent quality checks, and seamless equipment transitions, supercharging the efficient production of diverse products. Our integrated manufacturing environment management system monitors and remotely controls all facets of Vietnam's production landscape, overseeing process-specific manufacturing statuses, equipment integrity, and line-specific conditions in real time. Our meticulous control even extends to minute elements like dust, static electricity, temperature, and humidity, amplifying our operational impact and ensuring trust through unwavering commitment within our products. With an expertly designed supply chain system, Hanwha Vision seamlessly bridges demand management with on-time product delivery, leveraging in-depth data insights from sales, procurement, and manufacturing, delivering precisely what customers desire. We transform data into action, executing 99% of our global demand plans with unmatched precision and dedication. Our comprehensive manufacturing and supply chain mastery remains dedicated to delivering the pinnacle of customer trust today and beyond. Hanwha Vision.